Welcome back to Medic Health. Today I am going to discuss with you Perfectil original tablets, the user side effects, interactions, contraindications and medicinal uses and direction to use and how to use. I am going to tell you in this video. Let's start with the uses of these medications. This Perfectil comes with the 30 tablets and it comes with the enormous number of vitamins, which is particularly it is relating to skin, hair and nails. 3 different types of problems can easily inhibit by using this Perfectil. This Perfectil is majorly for the skin. The skin is the main vitamin called the Biotin, and then for hairs Zinc, and then selenium for the nails. So this also contain the vitamin B2, that is the Riboflavin, and the Niacin and the Biotin, which is mainly contribute to for the maintenance of the normal skin, and the selenium and zinc, which is usually useful for the normal hairs and nails. The selenium and zinc, which is more the problems which are all hair thinning, and then who are all having the problems related to dandruff and then hair fall, major hair fall seen on their hairs, and then skin related to the wrinkles and then aging properties. So it having the anti-aging property also, so it will be more beneficial. And it also contains the different types of ingredients like that vitamin C, and then vitamins and minerals. If we see means vitamin D, and then folic acid, vitamin B6, and then vitamin E, and then pantothenic acid, magnesium. Minerals also available, iron as well as copper and manganese, selenium. This selenium is also majorly works on the cell reproduction, and also dead cells it will be easily remove from our body, and it also may helpful for the newly reproducing hairs and as well as the skin, and it can away the wrinkles and the skin damaging from the sun. It is also helpful for both for the pregnancy and breastfeeding women also can take this Perfectil. No need to worry about that. This can be taken by oral only, so it comes with the 30 pack tablet and also comes with the 90 tablets. So it is the major helpful for that. It also the key nutrients is the vitamin C, folic acid, biotin, magnesium, grapeseed and L-Cysteine. This is the full major helpful for the skin lesions and dark spots on their face, and then premature aging and sun induced damage, and then oral having the tanning, frequent tanning on their face. So it is, if you are taking intake through the mouth means it will heal the cells by using the in your blood circulation. It also wherever the more sebaceous gland is producing the oil secretion, because of that may increases the inflammation on your skin. So it can also contain the zinc, that is also having the anti-inflammatory property. So that property is also can be easily inhibited by using this. And selenium is also for the like a antioxidant property. So this is a major uses I have discussed different this Perfectil. So it comes with the platinum and as well as plain Perfectil is the beneficial. Platinum it contains the little bit, the ingredients should be the variation, and both are to be similar only, but if you having the severity means you can go with the platinum, and it also little bit cost wise it will be expensive. This is the major uses and side effects I have discussed different. There is no need to worry about the side effects. How to take and direction to take means you have to take at least 3 months, 1 tablet you have to take daily, 1 tablet you have to take for 3 months. So it will give the more beneficial in the second to third week of your daily intake of this Perfectil. This is the major uses and side effects I have discussed you friends. I will come back with new video. Till that, keep supporting us out.